Wow, did we ever get lucky today. Look at this big guy. This is the African spurred tortoise. Now this is the third largest tortoise species in the whole world. Now this isn't a native tortoise, but it is very interesting, however, and there is some chance that you could find one of these in your journeys, because these are commonly sold in reptile stores, reptile expos, and different reptile breeders are distributing this species of tortoise, which is kind of sad considering the fact that they're from Africa and that they live in a totally different environment than we have here in America. The African spurred tortoise is also known as the SULCATA tortoise. The SULCATA tortoise is a very important species in Africa, Saharan desert landscapes. They dig very deep burrows, and a lot of animals depend on their burrows. But that's not it. They travel great distances to eat vegetation and leaves and plants and grasses, all the while eating the seeds and then bringing them back to their burrows where they excrete the seeds in their fecal matter, and the seeds then have been germinated due to the moisture inside of their digestive system, so creating a small biome right around their tunnels and burrows. Its back almost looks like armored plating. If you look, you can see rings in it, almost like the growth rings in a tree. However, they're a little bit different. Now, high pyramiding in those each individual plates would mean that the turtle has a high in protein diet, and it should eat more vegetation and less crickets and other insects. The SULCATA tortoise is the third largest tortoise in the world. It is only rivaled in size by the Galapagos tortoise and the Aldabra tortoise, which are enormous species. Those armored plated scales help protect the tortoise against predators. Not too many predators live in the Saharan desert, but what few do are deterred by this hard shell and spiky external skin. Also, the tortoise can't completely enclose itself in the shell, but it can pretty much get most of itself into the shell. This tortoise species will live well in excess of 100 years, and it grows relatively rapidly compared to some other turtle species. Now that's one awesome turtle. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you go back and check out some of our previous videos, and subscribe so you can be notified when we release new videos every Monday and Friday. We always try to keep our videos as close to the edge as possible, so make sure to tune in next week where I'm going to get stung by the cow killer. That insect has the fourth most painful sting in the insect kingdom. Just see how painful that actually is.